We're on the train, backside of Disney, and if you'll look, way over yonder, it's that new ride. You know, what do they call that new ride, Luke?
I think it's called Tron.
Steam engine, a real steam engine. T-R-O-N, Tron. I really don't know what that ride is. Is that a roller coaster? It's a new roller coaster. Oh, there it went. I could have caught them on video. I think we're going to move today. Maybe Stephen. Yeah. I was trying to film. They get ready to move. What?
Looks like we're on our way, and I'm so glad to have you with us. Next leg of our journey takes us to Main Street, USA. We'll head for Frontierland after that. Stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs inside the train at all times. Oh, and please keep an eye on your children.
Hard to talk over the noise. We're passing under the new roller coaster ride in Disney.
Locomotive maintaining trajectory. Intervention not required. Users, please proceed to Tron left central line platform. Once the departure,
There goes the people moving. Got heads and walking to get official. Alright. We're coming into the main entrance of Disney. And we're going to head back to the back and ride Pirates of the Caribbean. And we're going to call it a day, people. In 5 days to Disney, that's enough for anybody. 5 days to Disney and 300 miles of walking.
You might say the sky's the limit, but even that is no obstacle in Tomorrowland.
There's a contemporary hotel over there. The monorail runs right through the center of it.
I'm glad you did it now because I didn't think
Quite
we'd
an
be able to
experience
get
by
over.
itself.
Because a lot of them, if you'll notice, when they come by, they run, but they run real slow. You got to quickly get on. And I was like, I do that.
This is the backside of Space Mountain right there. And people, here's the Disney bus parking lot. That's how you get
Around
to
the Magic Kingdom is
Look at the
almost
bus.
complete. I can't thank you enough for spending part of your day with me. And I hope you've enjoyed your journey as much as I've appreciated the part of it. We're now approaching our most charming destination, Main
Boat,
Street,
train,
USA.
monorail,
A place where the
you name
old things sweeter than the town.
Skytrack. I'm waiting for them to have helicopters.
We'll be heading for Frontierland, followed by a visit to Fantasyland. For now, stay seated until our train comes to a complete stop. Then pick up your belongings and carefully disembark. That's
Here comes the main station.
What say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station, after all.
Ah, there it is.
Welcome to Main Street, USA.